Due to today's sad news regarding the death of His Majesty, King Charles III, normal programming will be slightly altered to fit current events, with first at 8 o'clock, a special program dedicated to celebrating the life and reflecting the death of King Charles III. Then at 8:50, another special program, The King Revisited. After that, join us for BBC News for more information and coverage at Buckingham Palace. We thank you for your understanding during these sad times. Without any further interruptions, the life and death of His Majesty, the King.